This is an iceberg. In a moment, we'll show you how a yearly maintenance plan for your GibbsCAM software is just like this iceberg. Meet machine shop owners Joe and Bob. They both started their businesses the same way: state-of-the-art CNC machinery, the latest CAD, CAM systems, industry-leading solutions, you know, the whole works. At first, both businesses did well. Over time, however, Joe's shop consistently outperformed Bob's. Why? Joe has a yearly maintenance plan for his GibbsCAM software, and Bob doesn't. You see, Bob thinks he's saving money by not paying for a maintenance plan. His machines and software seem to be working fine. Why pay good money? It all comes down to the iceberg. Right now, all you see is the tip. Think of it as the real, tangible benefits you get from your software, including new features and functionalities that come with each update. But new features are only part of the iceberg. What about the part you can't see? That's where Joe outcompeted Bob. He saw below the surface. With GibbsCAM maintenance, Joe gets priority response at tech support, unlimited 24/7 access to our entire library of online video-based training, online access to interim release software, and even a 10% discount on new options. And that's not all. A huge part of new GibbsCAM releases are productivity enhancements designed to streamline and optimize workflow. With our maintenance solution, your GibbsCAM software consistently takes advantage of new updates to your operating system and also keeps up with updates from your CAD system, DNC software, machine tool controller, and other critical manufacturing software. And the larger your organization, the more likely you are to have additional components involved in your manufacturing process, which makes these kinds of updates all the more critical for continued success. It's perfect for large or growing organizations that need a scalable solution that keeps itself updated at all times. Below the surface, your software is being improved constantly. A little here for CAD interoperability, a little there for machine tool controller updates. The result? Heightened overall efficiency. It's clear, when it comes to productivity and raising the bottom line, the 80% you don't see is just as important as the 20% you can see. Just ask Joe over there. Ready for peak performance? Visit us online for a quote on a GibbsCAM maintenance plan.